Wanted to do a quick video. This is a Mark III Jetta on the blower motor. There's the blower motor. There's 5 screws. 1, 2, I'll show it when I get it out of here. To get this off is the glove box. So the glove box is also 5 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if you want the door to come down, you just have to squeeze the door past the little hinge stops there. And then you pop it out. So we'll get this out and then show you disassembling the motor. Okay, so this style of motor comes apart. I don't know if all the styles come apart, but this one does. With these little rubber catches. So you slide this off. This pops out. And then you're just kind of squishing these. Can you see that? Squishing these down in to get the motor to come out of the housing here. Right. Are you kind of seeing it? Come on. Yeah. One more. Will let me. It's kind of a pain. There we go. Okay, and the wire pulls out through there. Okay, now let's see if we can get out into some light here. So the issue is, I already cleaned this, but let's get it to focus. So down in there you have the brushes and the commutator, and the brushes wear off. Let's see. And you get all the black of the brushes all over the commutator, so you just need to clean it. Got it? Mm-hmm. You have to let me know that you hit record.
And we're recording.
Taking a brush like this, you can get them at your cheap tool place like Harbor Freight. They have kits of them. This is brass. So basically anywhere the brushes are contacting is what you need to clean. So just get it down in there, kind of hold it in place. And then you're spinning the fan to get it to take all the brush material off, like so. You can even spray some contact cleaner, electronics cleaner, whatever, in there. Getting a little shinier in there. So as a test, I've got the fan speed on 1 so it doesn't just rip out of my hand, and then we'll just see what happens. A little connection here. Maybe. Oh. It would help if I put it in the right way, not the wrong way. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ready? There we go. It's working again. speed 2. So. All right, let's get it back together. So these rubber guys will fall off. So you gotta make sure they're all popped on. Feed your wire through. Okay. Line up your pieces. Squash it on in. Make sure you're catching. It's looking good. Make sure it's all the way pulled through. Okay. Our wires sit down in the slots. Little retainer goes back on. Okay, we're ready to go back in. So there's the 5 spots for bolts for this. So it just slides up in. Just making it look easy.
Nice.
Anybody can do it. Especially me. Maybe me. That clips in. You can hear it going. It would help if I actually had it on vent, or I put my hand in front of the vent, but I don't. Yep, there we go.
Oh, now I can feel it.
Anybody can do it.
Yeah, sure.
Something ain't right.
Making it seem so easy, huh?
Yep, anybody can do it. So we got this, and this. We got this spot, and this spot. But we also have these. So it's like we're supposed to hook. Maybe that's it. That looks better.
I guess if it falls off, we'll find out.
All part of the show.
Yeah.
We got there eventually. All done.
Yeah. First try. Woohoo!
Oh, so sit.